Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do if Play Store isn't working in your device Xiaomi 12T and 12T Pro. So if you're having any trouble related to Play Store in your device Xiaomi 12T and 12T Pro, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix your Play Store problem in your device.